Government is persuaded that you need a healthy population, and we are spending a lot of money, and middle class is almost getting impoverished because of Harambes, because of relatives who are doing Harambes. People and families are selling property, they are selling cars, they are selling land to finance health. We need more people with an insurance card, a health insurance card. It may be less than perfect, but it's better than no card at all. We are working on perfecting the imperfections in Taifa Care, but it's better that way than a person who has no access to any medical cover. We had 9 million Kenyans who are insured since independence until now. In the last 3 years, in the last 3 months, we have doubled the number of people who now have some form of health insurance to 18+ million Kenyans. We want to scale up that to 30, 40, 50 million. It's not easy. President Kibaki had this in his manifesto. The same politics hit that program and frustrated it. He pulled back. President Uhuru in his second term had the same. The Big Four agenda, UHC was one of them. The same politics came and truncated the program. President Uhuru pulled back. This time round, we have said we will fight through to make sure we get universal health coverage through, even at the expense of our popularity. If that is what will affect the popularity of President Ruto, so be it. Because what defines a leader is not how many hours or days or years they have been in office. Is the take home, what they leave behind when they leave office after a certain number of years. So we are very clear in our minds that that is a national priority, and also education reforms. That's why we are strengthening CBC, we are investing in more teachers, and we are also addressing funding of higher education to make sure as many as possible of the children of Kenya get access to affordable, relevant, quality education. So those are our priorities. Everything in between, we will do it. We've heard what are the priorities for this region. The 2 dams, one here between Kericho and Kisumu, the other one in Nyamira, Magwagwa. Then there are some flagship factories like the sweet potato one in Kuria. I was taking notes. And I take notes everywhere I go, because that's the only way you are able to at least account. I must account for coming here, and I must carry home what the people of Nyanza want from national government. Between myself and my colleagues, cabinet colleagues, and the entire team, I want to promise you, the 9 or so priorities which have been repeated here, the ring road, I don't know, the 2 dams, the factory, the abattoir, we will go out of our way to make sure that we do them. So that we can now, even if we don't achieve everything, we can say we've done this percentage of the commitments we had.